Have you started thinking about your career? Wondered what suits you best? Are you still confused even after months of preparation? Hundreds of questions haunt aspirants of competitive tests.
Can an average student like me crack tricky management entrance tests like CAT or XAT? Government tests like Bank PO, SSC, or CSAT, which millions of students take every year, or the tough campus recruitment tests of the MNCs?
Take a deep breath, and before you decide your next step, it is important that you know what problems most of the aspirants of competitive tests face and how you should avoid them.
We have analyzed the test preparation of tens of thousands of aspirants over more than 20 years and understood that teaching without mentoring makes your preparation tedious and very often fruitless.
Firstly, mentoring versus teaching. Have you ever wished you had a mentor who understood you and not judged you by your scores?
In my 20 years of mentoring experience, I have realized that it is important to travel along with every student in his journey, understanding him thoroughly and pitching him whenever he underperforms or trips and falls. It is essential to help every student identify his strengths and areas of improvement and guide him in those areas while using his strengths strategically without instructing him, scolding him or browbeating him. At Study Break Academy, scores are merely numbers used as data to analyze and improve and not to stigmatize a student.
Proper mentorship is indispensable to your preparation, but it is not the only aspect.
If you want to realize your aspirations, you need a package of things to work towards it. For competitive tests, first and foremost, you need to cement your subject knowledge, and for that you require targeted material and calculated deadlines so that you learn and apply things each and every day and not just keep your hand in. High quality mock tests are required to get you comfortable with the test situations. Pinpointed preparation is also required for group discussion and personal interview processes, and doubt clearing sessions complete your preparative journeys. We at Study Break make such packages each and every day with art, with science, and with heart.
You must have already seen the innumerable pieces of text and videos turned as study material or tests scattered across the internet. They confuse you more than they help.
In a country like India, there is a high level of competition in each and every test. Unless the study material is focused on a particular test, it's very difficult to excel. Another important aspect for any test preparation is mock test, and they must be tailor-made to that specific test. Even the GDPI processes requires college-specific mock GDs and mock PIs. We at Study Break Academy make sure the material that we develop catered to that specific test and colleges. Every year we incorporate the changes that come up so that the student can excel in each and every test.
Now that we have all the ingredients ready, you need an excellent cook to mix them properly.
The only thing that works for aspirants is building a great rapport with them. That starts from understanding their major concerns thoroughly, even if they might think it's silly or maybe embarrassing at times. The toughest part is assuring them that they are capable of doing the thing, even if the people around them do not believe that they can. We at Study Break, we maintain a one-on-one communication with them and make sure that we are available for them whenever they require and even at unearthly hours. Very importantly, we have a genuine concern for their career, for their future, which makes a seemingly ordinary guy a roaring success.
One might have years of net practice, but the value of match practice is many times higher.
Taking mock tests and analyzing them is indispensable to your preparation.
We really do not know who we are unless we test ourselves regularly. This is true both for competitive examinations as well as in life. Here at Study Break Academy, mock tests are handcrafted with utmost care and customized to the last detail. Tests that accurately predict your percentile, tests that judge your performance based on cutoffs, exam-specific, computer-based or computer-adaptive tests, the hard work required to understand past patterns, the brainstorming required to predict future trends, and applying them wherever required. These are everyday activities at Study Break Academy.
You definitely know that group discussions, writing assessment tests, and personal interviews are as important as aptitude tests, if not more.
While an aptitude test is used to deselect lakhs of students who apply to a particular college, the real selection happens through processes like group discussions, writing assignments, group tasks, and personal interviews. Only when we develop your knowledge through general knowledge sessions and boost your confidence as well as capability through our personalized group discussions and personal interviews, do you have the mettle to ace these competitions. Our experts at Study Break Academy have more than 20 years of experience of shaping thousands of careers and are rightly placed to shape yours.
Yukta, who now studies in Harvard University, has been through the expert guidance of these mentors, and this is what she says about them.
In the midst of everything which has changed to something which is not, is the guidance, mentorship and hand-holding from my trusted mentors, Pragyan sir, Pradeep sir, Shumantra sir and Shubhadeep sir. I think what worked for me was the personalized guidance from each one of them in the structured teaching in classes, as well as the personalized teaching outside of classes, where they helped me solve every single practice exam problem, giving me tricks and tips, starting from how much time I should spend analyzing the paper versus how much time I should spend solving the paper. I take full credit for having chosen my mentors wisely.
Do your research, learn, and take an educated decision. It's your career after all. If you want to discuss more, call us on the number below.